What's going on, everybody? Today, it's a really quick video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Roku TV 4K Ultra or whatever the fuck, any Roku TV that you have. This is my TV right there. All right, so everything works perfectly, right? But every time you open apps like YouTube, Hulu, Spotify, whatever that you use to watch anything, it won't have any sound, but like the home screen will have sound. So what I did to fix it was I went to system settings. I went to power. I'm sorry. I went to system. I went to power. I pressed restart system restart, and I restarted the system, and then everything worked perfectly.